Let us see how to filter by color in Google Sheets. Let's see, we have got this data and we want to filter it based upon the colors. For example, in this particular column, we have got these colors white, then this brick type color, then this green, and then. So let us say I just want to see the row that has this green color, okay, in this particular column. So for that, you have to first of all put the drop down for this list. So just select the list and then you have to put a filter. You will see the add filter over there. So just click on that and then just click here and then you can see filter by color value is being shown here. Then fill color and then you can see that these different types of colors are available in that particular column. So let us say we want to just see the row that has got this green color and you can see that that's how you can filter the rows based upon the colors. Thanks for watching.